Good morning, class 7. So, today we are going to do chapter number 11, The Tempest. I'll give you the introduction today. I'll not go through line by line, just take down the information regarding Tempest. So, Tempest is a drama. Okay, it's a drama. Drama means what? It is performed on the stage. You have drawn, you know what drama is. So, what is performed in the stage is called drama. So it has been written by whom? It is written by William Shakespeare, and it was first performed in 1611. So this play will get magic, you will get music, you will get means conspiracy. Okay, conspiracy means someone tries to means to remove the king. What do the people do? The people conspire. Okay, छल करना, छल के मारे उसको क्या करना, उसको हटा देना वहाँ से. So, and tenderness you will get from Prospero, who is the main character here. Prospero is the main protagonist of the play. He is the magician, and he was the future Duke of Milan. He was only forced out of Milan. Okay, Duke means the king of Milan. Okay, he was forced out of Milan. So this is and what does the tempest mean? Tempest means a violent windy storm. Okay, on the ship on which Antonio, then Ferdinand, these will get the characters in the very next page. So these all were returning from a ship, and Prospero, by his magic, what he does? Tempest. Okay, tempest is a wild storm on the sea, a windy storm. Through a help of an Ariel. Ariel is a spirit. So the Ariel, what does he do? This Ariel helps Prospero. Means Prospero have taken Ariel into his account, and he have told him to work for him, and then only he will give freedom to Ariel. So Ariel is a spirit. जैसे अलादीन होता है, जो काम बोलोगे वही करेगा. सो प्रॉस्पेरो के पास भी एक स्पिरिट था. स्पिरिट का नाम क्या है? वो स्पिरिट का नाम है एरियल. एंड दैट एरियल इज एन एयरी स्पिरिट. एयरी, हवा में उड़ता है. इट वॉज ओनली विजिबल टू प्रॉस्पेरो एंड नो बडी एल्स. So this Ariel helps Prospero in creating tempest. Okay, so this is all, and you will get the several characters that are there in Tempest. They are Prospero. Prospero is a magician, once and future Duke of Milan. Miranda, his daughter, name is Miranda, daughter to Prospero. Who is Ferdinand, Prince of Naples, son to Alonso. So he was son of Alonso. Okay, Alonso. Who was Alonso? Alonso was the king of Naples, and his son was Ferdinand. So Naples and Milan, these are the two places that you will get in this chapter. Ariel is an airy spirit. I told you about Ariel. Then Antonio, Prospero's evil brother. Prospero's evil brother, Duke of Milan, is Antonio. Then Alonso, king of Naples, and Sebastian is Alonso's evil brother. Sebastian is Alonso's brother. Who is Alonso? Alonso is king of Naples, and brother is Sebastian. Antonio is Prospero's evil brother, Duke of Milan. Then Gonzalo, a wise counselor. Gonzalo is a counselor, means you can say a minister, lawyer, okay, who helps Alonso. And Bosun. Who is Bosun? A sailor. Okay. So this is what the characters are. Those are present in this chapter, and how the tempest is created, what things happens in tempest, we will go through the wait when we read it line by line. Okay, just the introduction for today, and I am giving you CEA chapter end assignment. Please do complete it, and do it means submit it within that stipulated time. Okay, thank you class, have fun, bye bye.